Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we have an avocado DIY conditioning mask. I decided to try this because, as you guys can tell, my hair is extremely dry and needs the most help it can get at this point. So I have been experimenting with a different couple masks. This one I decided to share with you guys to see if anyone out there would have any type of recommendation for me, and especially for the way that my hair is looking right now, which it needs all the help it can get. So basically what I did was just wet my hair up a little bit so that I'm able to split it up into sections, just to make it easier when I do go ahead and apply the mask. And of course, making sure that each part of my head is combed out for easier application. So for this mask, you're going to want to find the ripest avocado possible. As you can see, this one is really mushy to the touch. I used the entire avocado in this mask, mayo, extra virgin olive oil, and a container. I was going to use this applicator bottle. For some reason, I thought that would be a good idea, but no, because the consistency comes out really thick once it's all mixed in. I really eyeballed this. I don't have any specific measurements. So after it was all mixed in, I went ahead and I dumped it into this glass container, and as you can see, the consistency is kind of thick but still manageable to work through your hair. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do here is just brush out each section that I had already split up and make sure that my hair is completely knot free, just because it will make it a lot easier for the hair to absorb the ingredients and actually work its way into the hair and actually moisturize. Also, as you can see here, I am starting from my ends and working my way up and not being too aggressive, because you don't want to break your hair. At least I don't. So I just work slowly and make sure that I am being as gentle as possible with my hair, but taking all of those knots out at the same time. And quick disclaimer, the mask can get a little messy once you are applying it. As you can see, some of it did fall on my floor, but that was okay. I didn't have a mat or anything that I would care about getting dirty. My mat was actually in my laundry room. So just keep that in mind. It can get a little messy. Wear a shirt that you either, one, don't care about or don't care of getting dirty when you're applying this. Now, I am going to be really generous with this mask because my hair is extremely dry and needs all the moisture it can get, especially on my ends. So that's why you will see the product clump up like it does right here. But that is okay. I am just trying to make sure that all of my hair gets the moisture and the benefits of all of these ingredients that we went ahead and mixed together. Now, just to share with you guys, just in case you aren't aware of the benefits of these ingredients that we are putting in our hair, I am currently on Google actually. So, avocados are high in vitamin B and E, nourishing and locking moisture into the hair cells, strengthening hair roots and strands, while mayonnaise contains fatty acids and vitamins that can boost shine and act to seal in moisture. Now, I added in the extra virgin olive oil because I assumed that it would also do the same regarding moisture. So I'm actually looking for the best and most intensive hydration ever that I can provide my hair every week with a mask. Now this week I actually am going to do a mask here after I finish editing this video, but I am actually going to go ahead and swap out the extra virgin olive oil for honey, because as we know, honey does provide a lot of moisture. So that is another way that I want to try this mask and see what it does for my hair as well. So now that we're done applying the mask, what I'm going to go ahead and do is place a plastic shower cap on my head and leave the mask on for about 2 hours. After those 2 hours, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out my hair. Now, what I noticed with this mask is that yes, my hair was extremely soft and it did feel a little hydrated. Always the bottom of my head feels a lot hydrated than it does at the top, which is the crown of my head. My crown is always extremely dry. I'm not sure if it's because water falls directly on that part of my head, but I am trying to find a concoction or a method that would give my hair the same exact hydration up on my crown that it does at the bottom of my hair. So if you guys have any ideas or tips as to what I should try, definitely do comment below and share with me, because I am trying my best to not go back to heat after a year of a big chop. So I do sometimes get discouraged, but it only happens to the best of us. I don't manage my hair a lot. I literally just let it be. And that's the reason why I had yet to film a video regarding my hair, because I honestly don't know what to say. I haven't been doing much to it. My hair just grows super fast. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will be back with more, and I love you guys. Bye.